Elliots. My name is Jasper Gilley, and I'm back in the studio with my buddy Phil the Square and Redward the Bowtie. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the history of NIMUN. First, NIMUN is put on by a 501c3 non-profit organization called the Chicagoland MUN Club. It's really impossible to understand the history of NIMUN without first understanding the history of the CMC. CMC unofficially started in 2009 as a homeschool co-op class and started attending high school conferences thereafter. In 2010, the idea for NIMUN was born. NIMUN was originally intended to be a fundraiser for CMC. However, very quickly, NIMUN proved that it would be much more than a fundraiser. A year later, on November 10th, 2011, the first NIMUN conference happened, presided over by Secretary General Elena Lindstrom. The committees were DISEC, which comes back at 9-5, the UN Security Council again returns, and the UN Development Program. After the first conference, NIMUN immediately became much more than a fundraiser. A year later, we had NIMUN 2, again presided over by Elena Lindstrom. NIMUN 2 was the first NIMUN to have 4 committees. The committees at NIMUN 2 were the DISEC, the UNSC, again, coming back for 9-5, the 1962 US Cabinet, and the World Health Organization. Shortly after 9-2, CMC officially became a 501c3 nonprofit, officially. In June 2013, CMC put on the first CMC summer camp for middle school students to learn more about Model UN in an intensive fashion that's personalized. Next November, NIMUN 3 occurred, this time presided over by Matthew Shum. Matthew had formerly chaired the World Health Organization at NIMUN 2 and served as the location liaison for both NIMUNs 1 and 2. The committees for NIMUN 3 were DISEC, the UN Security Council, the UN Environmental Program, and the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, which I actually chaired. Shortly after NIMUN 3, we had our second summer camp, presided over by myself and NIMUN 5's DISEC chair, Milan Frederick. In November 2014, we had NIMUN 4, again presided over by Matthew Shum. The committees were the Social and Humanitarian Committee, the Food and Agriculture Committee, the UN Security Council, and the Association of Caribbean States, which I chaired. This November, NIMUN 5 promises to be yet another historic occasion. For the first time, we have 5 committees at NIMUN. The committees are DISEC, the UN Security Council, the UN Commission on Science and Technology for Development, the African Union, and the present-day Russian Cabinet. I'm incredibly excited to see NIMUN 5 happen, and I look forward to seeing you on November 13th.